Hello, welcome to the channel, Cocinando con Chayito. Today we're gonna make calabacitas con elote y queso fresco. Y aquí tenemos los ingredientes. The ingredients are, I have 3 zucchinis. You can use calabacitas, Mexican calabaza, but I have zucchini, so I'm gonna use that. I have 3 jalapenos. I have 2 tomatoes, I have a quarter of big onion. I have corn. This is from the can, it's 15 ounces. I drained it already. I have cheese. This is Monterey Jack, and this is queso fresco. I'm gonna use olive oil and pepper and salt. We're gonna start by cutting the zucchini. We're gonna make kind of squares like that. Next will be the jalapeno. If you like, you can get rid of the seeds. It depends on how spicy you want, okay? This looks like this jalapeno is kind of spicy, but I like spicy, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna keep the seeds of this one. Okay, we have our ingredients already chopped, so it is time to go to the stove. We're gonna turn on the stove. We're gonna add olive oil. I'm using olive oil. The oil's hot. We're gonna add the onion. Gonna saute the onion a little. If you like, you can add garlic. I didn't do it because I don't use it, but some people like it. I'm gonna add the jalapenos. I'm gonna add the corn. This is already cooked. If you wish, you can use fresh corn. I don't have it. I have that one, so I'm using the can. Still good. You're gonna add the zucchini. I'm gonna add salt and a little pepper, fresh pepper. And then I'm gonna cover for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna check again. 2 minutes pass. We're gonna check the calabacitas and see how they do. We're gonna cover for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes pass. We're checking on the calabacitas. They're already soft, so I'm gonna add the chopped tomato. I'm gonna leave it for another 2 minutes, okay? You can taste if you need salt, and if not, just leave it like that. We're gonna cover for another 2 minutes, like I said. I just add Monterey Jack cheese like that. If you prefer not cheese, that's okay. You can use it as a side dish for carne asada or anything you like, or just like that. We're gonna cover up again. We're gonna serve ourselves. This is our calabacita. Look at the cheese. The calabacita is really soft. Okay, perfect. Let's go eat. I'm gonna add some cheese now. I already have Monterey Jack cheese, but this is queso fresco. I'm gonna add it like that. You can eat it like this with cheese, and if you don't have cheese, okay, you can have sour cream. Okay, we have our calabacitas con elote y queso fresco. It is time to taste it. We'll see. Oh my God, it's really good. Look at the cheese. It's hot and a little spicy. The chilies came out really spicy. I like it like that. Okay. This is a really good dish. Thank you for watching, and this is a request, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. See you soon.